Hey guys, how are you? This is your girl J Baby and welcome back to the channel. Y'all, yeah, you see me with this beautiful wig on. This beautiful, gorgeous lit wig is from the Janet collection, the Melt collection. It says Zendaya or Zendaya. That's her name, Zendaya or Zendaya. And I got it in the number 1. It comes with pre-plucked, pre-customized, and natural hairline. 100% hand-tied. 13 by 6 frontal part, natural density. It's very light. It did come pre-plucked. I will show you guys the baby hairs that it comes, but to me, I wanted to pre-pluck it more and pre-customize it more. That way it can look more natural to me. And I think that, yeah, we did it, girl. It's lit, okay? So the hairstyle that I have right here, I got inspired from off of this young lady right here. And because I didn't want a middle part and I didn't want a ponytail, so I kind of like did this right here and just added my own spin to it with the hair cocked to behind the ear with a long string of baby hair right here. And then the baby hairs like around here. And then I put big baby hairs here and some there, honey. And I went on to put it down with the Got to Be Glued gel. And also with the Got to Be Glued hairspray, freezing spray. So that's all I need to be able to hold it down for a couple of days for me. I got a piece of hair in my... You guys will see where I went on and plucked it. There's a lot that I had to pluck because it kind of looked like kind of boxy in the front. But honey, this wig, you can see it melted. You can see. It says the meltdown. So if you can see... And I keep on getting hair in my mouth. And I don't have any concealer in it at all because the lace is like really natural. If you want to put concealer in it, foundation in your part, you can. But I'm not with this one because it kind of like blended into my melanin skin really good. So this is Zendaya. And also they have like a lace tape in here, which that I didn't use the lace tape at all. And of course, the Janet collection also gives you a comb with everything. A comb with everything. So, it says, see the difference from here to here. On the stock card, it just had things that the Janet collection would like to let you know about their wigs, okay? So I'm just gonna go ahead and be quiet. And I'm gonna get into the video. I'm gonna put some music in. That way you can see me. I will actually hold the wig up. That way you will be able to see everything that's going on with the wig. And I'm just gonna go ahead on and dig into this wig and customize it, honey. Okay? So I'm not gonna be back for the ending of the video. I just want you to know that this hair is gorgeous. This hair is, it's not shedding on me. Of course, we know synthetic hair do shed, so or have a little tangle, so you know eventually we will have some of that. But honey, for the slay, okay, it's okay. So, because I'm not going to be back in the ending of the video, guys, I want you to know to be blessed and not stressed. And J Baby is signing off. Also, I will put everything you need down in the description bar, so check the description bar. That way you will know how to get your hands on this wig or any other products that they may have. And they have them in a lot of colors, so... Be blessed and not stressed. And J Baby is signing off. So stay till the end of the video. Okay?